Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare, 29 April. What is Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare? The International Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare is an annual event held November 30 as a tribute to the victims of chemical warfare, as well as to reaffirm the commitment of organization for the prohibition of chemical weapons, to the elimination of the threat of chemical weapons, thereby promoting the goals of peace, security, and multilateralism. It is officially recognized by the United Nations and has been celebrated since 2005. The history of serious efforts to achieve chemical disarmament that culminated in the conclusion of the Chemical Weapons Convention began more than a century ago. Chemical weapons were used on a massive scale during World War I, resulting in a more than 100,000 fatalities and a million casualties. However, chemical weapons were not used on the battleground in Europe in World War II. Following World War II, and with the advent of the nuclear debate, several countries gradually come to the realization that the marginal value of having chemical weapons in their arsenals was limited. While the threat posed by the availability and proliferation of such weapons made a comprehensive ban desirable. Adopted in 1993, the Chemical Weapons Convention entered into force on 29 April 1997. It determined, for the sake of all mankind, to exclude completely the possibility of the use of chemical weapons. The state parties to this convention established the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons to achieve the object and purpose of this convention, to ensure the implementation of its provisions, including those for international verification of compliance with it, and to provide a forum for consultation and cooperation among states parties. Thank you. Have a nice day.